In a quaint kitchen filled with warm aromas, a culinary artist named Mia stood poised to create a wholesome delight. Known for her creative flair and a knack for turning simple ingredients into extraordinary dishes, she embarked on a new journey to craft the perfect batch of veggie chips. Her mission was prompted by a recent surge in health-conscious living in her community. People were seeking nutritious, delicious alternatives to their usual snack repertoire, and Mia was determined to fulfill their appetites with her latest innovative creation. With a sweep of her hand, she gathered sweet potatoes, zucchini, and kale from her pantry. Each vegetable held its unique charm and nutritional benefits. Sweet potatoes, with their vibrant orange hue, were rich in vitamins and fiber. Zucchini offered a tender texture and subtle flavor, while kale was known for its crispiness and rich iron content. Mia began by meticulously washing and peeling the vegetables. Once they were primed, she transitioned to the artful task of slicing them. Her movements were sure and steady, slicing each vegetable thinly, ensuring that each would crisp up perfectly in the oven. Next came the seasoning, an alchemy that would transform simple slices into snacks of wonder. Mia drizzled a modest amount of olive oil over the vegetables, a touch that would aid in giving them a delightful crunch. She paused to consider her spice choices, pondering the infinite possibilities. In a moment of inspiration, she selected a blend of smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a hint of sea salt. She knew these flavors would complement the natural sweetness of the sweet potatoes, the earthiness of the zucchini, and the slightly bitter note of the kale. With gentle hands, she tossed the sliced vegetables until they were evenly coated, the colors mingling in an appetizing array. The time had come to bake the chips. Mia preheated her oven to a toasty setting. Arranging each vegetable slice in a single layer on a baking sheet, careful not to overcrowd them, was crucial in ensuring even crisping. An overcrowded sheet could lead to limp, unsatisfying results. As the vegetables began their transformation in the oven, the kitchen filled with an aromatic symphony that danced with notes of savory spices and fresh produce. Mia watched with anticipation as the slices began to curl at the edges. Turning golden brown and crisp, finally, she pulled the trays from the oven, allowing the chips to cool slightly before the first taste test. Each bite was a joyful crescendo, the perfect blend of texture and flavor. Capturing the essence of the vegetables while providing a satisfying crunch, Mia had succeeded. Her veggie chips were an undeniable triumph, a testament to the harmonious marriage of nature's bounty and culinary artistry. As word spread, her kitchen became a go-to haven for healthy snacks, each bite crafted with care and creativity. The veggie chip stood as a glorious example that nutrition and taste could indeed walk hand in hand, delighting the senses without compromise.